Thank you so much, Harni, for this amazing training, Canva. Actually, I am a very new to this Canva, but I know very little to create posts and stuffs. But this training has been very useful for me, and thank you so much. And one feedback, like if you could as help us how to create a logo, that would have helpful for me personally. So other than that, it's the training is very good, and thanks for the recording video also, so that I can go back and learn and I can do it. Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. It was very informative, and I like that it was very practical. I like that it wasn't just theoretical, it was good examples and like we're able to follow and something.
Sandhya.
Thank you, Harni. It was a very useful session to understand the basics of Canva.
Shobna.
Hi, Harni. It was actually very useful. I didn't know about those hexagons and then putting pictures inside that, so I learned about that today.